We're going to step you through how to send two-way SMS, but before we get going, just want to point out a couple of things on the home menu here. So the first is your account settings. So they live up in the top right there. So you get your billing details, current account balance, and some other things like your phone numbers, which we'll get to later. Bottom right, you've got help. So that's always down there in the bottom right. Just look for the icon. You've got help articles, and you can also reach out anytime via online chat. Okay, so to kick off our two-way SMS campaign, we want to click Start a New SMS Voice or Email Flow. Give your project a name. Type that one in there. And then the next step is to identify where the data for your project will come from. So this is where your recipient's information is stored. So you can put in just test data there, like your own phone number, just to do a test run. We're going to upload a spreadsheet, so an Excel document in CSV format. So quick look here, really simple example. Usually the common thread in the spreadsheet is you got a customer identifier, their name, and contact information and some product details there as well. Having done that, you'll just get prompted to confirm which column in your spreadsheet relates to which field. So for example, you'll identify where the phone number is that we're sending the SMS to. Then just confirm which of the columns in your spreadsheet you want to have available for your messaging. So if you're not sure, just leave them all checked and then select SMS template. So that brings you through then to our data flow screen. So you read this top to bottom. Our data from the spreadsheet will be coming in from the cloud icon down to the SMS template. Let's open the builder. Okay, so I click on that first SMS module and I type what I want my first outbound message to be, and you can see by hitting that plus icon I can drop in those variables which pulls through the data from my spreadsheet. I then need to add my SMS keyword. So these are the reply keywords that when a customer replies using that, I'll then trigger a second message. So in this example, we'll get a customer to reply Jim, and by doing so they accept an offer on discounted membership. Okay, so now we just check for errors before we launch it. We hit save top left and that'll bring us back to the data flow. So the rocket icon is where you go to launch. You'll get prompted, do you want to use test data or the data you started with from the spreadsheet? So we want to use the data we started with. Then we hit launch and I'll show you how it shows up. So within seconds of hitting go on the campaign, get our first outbound SMS here. You can see that it's populated the variable of the customer's name in the field, as well as other variables such as the gym membership amount. Customer replies back with the SMS keyword as prompted, and then that should trigger the confirmation SMS within a matter of seconds.